Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Discord for remote teams. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Discord for remote teams, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Discord. Now Discord is an effective low tenancy tool for remote team, acting as a visual office to categorize text channels for projects and always on voice channel for immediate collaboration. To use this effectively, create a dedicated server, structure your channel for different departments or topics, and utilize video screen sharing, that is, go live on music. So you can simply tap on it and open your meeting. Now you can join different kind of voice channels and simply share your screen and accordingly show what you are working, and this way you can use Discord for remote teams. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.